Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
Look at our little tink tink. She going in to work. I don't see her. Where's she at?
She's so short. She behind the car. Look in the mirror. You see her right now.
Oh,
Look.
there she go. Her little shawty doo-wop self. We love you, Riri. Have a good day. Oh yeah, we will embarrass the hell out of our children. Sorry, y'all. We'll embarrass the heck of our kids. For those who be feeling some kind of way, if you say a word. How y'all doing? Welcome back to our family, our channel, and our crew. Hope y'all are doing well. Being blessed. Staying safe out here.
What's up, crew?
And just having a good day. It is raining here. It is Thursday, so happy Thursday. Jordan said, what's up, crew? Well, just dropped Ruby off at work. Let me show y'all this little area. So pretty out here, y'all. This is what y'all seen, and I think it's the thorny oyster. They got the pearl over there. It's so pretty. So yeah, so y'all done seen this in my little intro and stuff. It's so pretty. We're gonna come out here when the weather warm up some, and we just gonna walk, and we're gonna be live. Well, no, I can't go live because they be playing music. So
I'll get me a wheelchair because I ain't walking.
and we're gonna take y'all through this area just so y'all can see it this summer for the beauty that it is. All of just the architecture and the historics behind it, and the history behind it, and everything. It is so pretty. And I know it doesn't look like too much because, like I said, it's storming here, but it's beautiful out here, y'all. So we are headed to Walmart for Mama. I know you guys, we had said in that video when Jordan got back from Georgia, we was gonna go to Lowe's, but I guess we'll do that sometime next week and finish getting the rest of the stuff for the house. Like I said, today is Thursday. That car is zoomed. Y'all look, I didn't record nothing in there because we ran in that store and ran out. It is cold. It is 30-ish, and I know a lot of y'all probably in the teens and negatives, but it's 32 right now currently, and it's windy and it's raining, so it makes it feel like it's about 20 degrees right now. Huh? Yep, Mama said it's gonna freeze in the morning. So I ran in there and ran out. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all that in this haul. A few of you guys was asking me in the comment section, have I heard back from my doctor yet? No, I have not. And my mama haven't either. So it's because they doing everything virtual. So it's gonna kind of take us a minute. Can you put some in the garbage? Oh, that's right. I just bought a garbage bag for the bathroom. Well, for the garbage. And so, yeah, but, yeah. Oh, I am not feeling good. I need to start cooking. I need to get me something to eat. I did not eat anything this morning. I had to go get me some more of these peanut butter crackers because usually I'll eat a few of these. And normally, if I don't have that, I'll grab me one of these. But I didn't even do that. I'll grab me like one of these. Like I said, I didn't even do that because we were busy this morning. It's my fault. But I'm about to. So let me show y'all real quick what we want. Let me show y'all real quick what we want to pick up. I'll be back. I'm going to start right here. I just want to pick these here up. My doctor had told me to get the poise pads. But those things are expensive and they bulky. And I know I'm not going to like that bulky feeling because I had used them poise pads a while back when I was dealing with a lot of issues and stuff with my bladder. But they just be too bulky and they don't make them any thinner. So I just went and just got these. And I'm just going to work with these. I got me a thing of Jergens, the Ultra Healing. Because with all of the vitamins and stuff that I'm doing and the extra medicine, even with the Nivea that I got, my skin's still been getting dry. And y'all know normally I tell y'all I'll put like the baby oil gel or something in the water, and I don't do my water like hot. It'll be kind of warm when I am taking my bath. But what I've been doing of late is just doing my showers and then putting my oil on my skin, then going in with my lotion. But I know in the wintertime this works better on me in Lubriderm, but I just went on and just picked this one up. That cooking, no, that deep fry. The cooking oil, I need you to drain it for me.
You mean throw it out?
Yeah, I need you to drain it. Yeah, the oil
Throw
that's
it
in
out?
there. And then I got a thing of vegetable oil because I'm finna fry some chicken tenders. My doctor also told me to get the vaginal health probiotics with prebiotics and cranberry, and it's just a feminine dietary health supplement, and it helps like just take care of your whole urinary tract. And these are just like doing the what them things called? And I do drink cranberry juice, but with everything I got going on right now, she recommended this, and it won't affect anything else. So pick that up. And this is for Mama. This is the one that my sister-in-law was telling her to get. So we went on to pick that up. So I'm going to get that to her now. We got some small garbage bags for our bathroom. I got me some Vagisil powder. And I told you guys before, I know a lot of women kind of scare away from that. But I just kind of use that all over my body when I get out the shower. Because I do sweat a whole lot. And I sweat more at night. Like, I just get hot and I be having terrible hot flashes, and I hate feeling sweaty. I hate being sweaty, and that really do help. Like I say, I'm sorry, I'm flash out in the thing. So like after I get out my shower and stuff at night, you know, I'll just put some on my hand and kind of put it on me like I'll do a lotion, and it helps a whole lot with if you dealing with hot flashes and stuff. So I had ran out, so I had to get some more. Then I got some Scott paper towels. When we go to Sam's, I'll get more, but that's what I got for now. Then I just got the 200 plates. Same when I leave from Sam's, I'll get some more. Jordan picked up some Sweet Heat barbecue chips, and I got my Hershey's. He went to the Walmart in our area, and they was completely out, so he got me one of the regular size 6-packs, and I went through them in a day. I ain't gonna lie. Why should I do that? I don't have to. So I'm telling y'all the truth. So I got 3 of the giant Hershey's, the giant size. And I had one with the almonds, but I didn't want almonds. And then I finally got my Nico crackers. I'm still getting my big one from Sam's, but I got my 40 count. And then Jordan picked him up some water because my doctor told me to start drinking more water because I drink like a lot of pineapple juice. What you call it? Pineapple juice, grape juice, cranberry juice. But she told me to also do a lot of water. And I'm going to tell y'all now, I cannot do straight water. If I do water, it has to even be like a flavored water, or I have to flavor it myself by putting strawberries or watermelon, lemon, or something in there. And I can't do orange juice right now. Huh? Yeah, I just kind of infuse my water because I cannot do it straight. It makes me sick to my stomach. And so, dang, I forgot to get some more flavored water. I'll let Riri get some from the dollar store. What? Oh, yeah, and I drank me some orange juice yesterday, and it broke my neck out really bad. I guess there's too much acid or something in it. So he got him this one. He just got the one that has the ready, set, go, and hydrate yourself on the on the side of it. And I just got the one that just say believe in yourself. And then it just has how many. So that way I'll just keep pushing water, and he's going to help me do it. I'm going to pick me up some of the Crystal Lights from Dollar General because I'm going to let Riri go get me a few things of flavored water because I don't want to drink Phillips up. But this is the ocean water that he had got. It has no sugar in it. And I'm going to just add me like a half a pack of this because he got a few packs. And then also I got these chicken breast tenderloins because I'm going to fry these up today. I have some corn in there. And I also got some other vegetables, so I'm trying to see what I'm going to fix. I don't know. But I know I'm going to fry these. I'm going to just batter them and fry them. Jordan cleaned out the dishwasher, and I picked up a head of lettuce. That grease, yeah, I know leftover grease don't smell good. And there go Mama, so y'all can see her. You know they all been praying for you, ma'am. You're welcome. So yeah, so that's it, y'all. If I think of something else, I'll let y'all know. Or if I change my mind, I'll come back on here and let you guys know if something changed with dinner. But for now, I'm gonna defrost these. I'll defrost them.
I can't even get that off my hand.
And I'll go from there. We doing laundry. I want me some Pop-Tarts, but I want me some Raisin Bran. Then I want me some Fruit Loops. I don't know.
Then you want the whole house, the whole kitchen.
I think I'm going to just eat me some Fruit Loops and Pop-Tarts. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to eat me some Fruit Loops. Get me some Pop-Tarts.
Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go hard.